Hi friends, in our last class we have completed up to the model section. Let me continue the video. So I'm going to go to open up the new terminal window. I'm going to open up a new terminal window here. First what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the controllers. So these are all the controllers I want to create one by one. So type PHP artisan make controller. First controller I'm going to create as brand controller. So you write type brand controller. Here in creating the controller, okay, I have a leave the mistake. So here this is you must do this. Okay, you type PHP arts and make controller. You no need a space. That's why the problem. Now if you hit enter button, here it has been created. Okay, you don't leave the space between this code and this make. Okay, this is the way you have to follow them. Okay, the controller is created inside the app folder, HTTP folder, controller folder. There will be the controller has been created, which is a brand controller, right? So second controller I'm going to create here, brand model controller. Press enter key on your keyboard. That controller has been created, car model controller. Okay. Now after that, what you are going to see, the two controller has been created, brand controller and car model controller. After that, I'm going to create another controller, which is a car model controller, brand controller, car model controller, car controller. So your types, another one is a, you just get the help of up and down arrow to change the things. Okay, up and down arrow. So we change it here. This one should be the our member controller. Member controller. Press enter key on your keyboard. Right. So member controller. Right. Done it. Member controller done. After that you have done it, another one is a car controller. You type the car controller. Right. These are the controllers we have to create it. Brand controller, car model controller, and member controller. These are we have create the controller section. This is very must. These are the things we have to do it must. Right. So after that, what you are going to do is we have to do the view section. So view section, we have to go to the this app folder, resources, view, the default view, the default view, which is a helpblade.php. Here I'm going to create another folder. Here I'm going to create the folder, which is a first one should be the brand. Second folder I'm going to create as model. So here model, I have to rename it as a model, car model. Third view folder I'm going to create as model, car model folder, car model. Third one I'm going to create as member folder, right? Another folder I'm going to create as car folder. These are the folder I'm going to create, right? Now here first I'm going to select the brand folder, new. So to create here index dot blade dot php. This is the first file I'm going to create, index dot blade dot php. The first file I'm going to create, this one, right? Second one I'm going to create the second file, which is a edit dot blade dot php, right? Third file I'm going to create the edit and delete. Okay, if you want, you have to make the show button folder as well. If you want, we can show dot blade dot php. So I'm going to create these two files. I'm going to edit the record, and you can add the record, edit the record, and deal the all things we have managed by these two files. Okay, right? So the simple stuff you have to do it, right? So second folder, the same thing I'm going to create this one also. Inside the car folder also you have to create index dot blade dot php, the car home page. After that we have to make another page. We say edit dot blade dot php. Right, this is the second page I'm going to create. Right. Okay. So third one, so model is also the index dot the model index page. Okay, index page. Second one, model edit page, edit dot blade dot php. After that member page, you select this one, you write index dot blade dot php. Third one, I'm going to edit dot blade dot php. These are the pages we have to create. This is simple stuff. You do it. After that, we have to create another folder which is a layout. Select the view folder, layout folder. Okay, this is a layout folder. Okay, the layout folder. So here we have to create the layout. So in this folder, so layout folder, you have to write here layout dot blade dot php. This is the template of the files. Okay, this is nothing but a template of the file. These are the folder structure and file structure. This is the folder structure and file structure. We have created the controller section and view section. These are the things we have to do it. Okay, this simple stuff we have to do it. Now let's make the layout file. So this is the nothing but a template file. This one we have to use it every pages. Okay, this is one header and footer, all things we are designed by this file. So here you have to go to my Laravel section. In my you have to go to my tutorsfunny.com. You have to go to the Laravel 9. So here you can have a Laravel 11 read more. So you can get it this file. So all things happen, how to create the Laravel projects, everything. You just go through this tutorial. This is very best tutorial. Okay, so here I'm going to go to do the thing is this is the blade page. This is the blade.blade.php. Here we have to do the things. So okay, this one manually here in VS Code editor, hold on the shift key down and press 1. You have to get this mark. Click on this. It is automatically import the HTML standards. This is nothing but the HTML standard, doc type HTML. It's nothing but HTML5 standard. This HTML file is open and close it. Attack, inside the attack we have to implement the bootstrap. So bootstrap we are going to find the bootstrap library. Go to the Google and type bootstrap 5. Click on this link. You have to click the bootstrap CSS, copy this, paste inside the head tag. After that you have to go below. This is a bootstrap JS. Copy this and paste it below. You have to copy this both. You have to the bootstrap CSS you have to paste inside the tag. JS you have to paste inside the body tag. This is two things you have to do it. File, save all. Right. Now after that what you're going to do is you have to type this heel content. The heel content, just copy this heel content. This one you have to put it over here. What is the heel content? This is the content of the pages. This heel content, this is the content. These are all the pages should be the content. This contains all the things are loaded over here. Only the things we have to call this content. Right, this is content pages. We have to all the things. We have to edit page, index page, all the things. We have to this same template, layout template. We have create once. We have to reviews every pages, car pages, brand pages, car model pages, every pages. These things we are going to reuse it. This is the thing we have to do it. Okay. So I hope you guys you have to understand the things well. We in our next video tutorial I'm going to explain the how to implement this all the functionality. Thank you for watching.